first thing, they say to use this 100% white protein plus. I don't know why they recommend this, but they said it worked. So I'm going to try it today for you. So it says, take just tiny bit of that. Grab a paper towel. Just place just that much into it. That's about maybe a teaspoon of it. You wrap it up just in your way so it doesn't get out. Like that. Wrap it up. And I'm gonna wet it. And let it sit overnight. Okay. This is the finished product. Let's see if it turned out slime, or if y'all are just messing with it. Okay. Please don't be nasty. What? Bruh. They said barely wet it. Okay, that did not seem to work. Fail. In my book, that's a fail. I don't know what kind of slime y'all like, but that's a fail for me. Next slime, they said to use soap and baking soda. Pure baking soda. Oh, that's a heavy bag. That's a 13-pound bag. Especially when you're trying to put it under there, so yeah. You still alive on me? Okay. Hi. Put my mess that I made up from yesterday. Oh, that stuff's nasty. So glad I know how to drink that every morning. Okay. So what they said to do was get anything. There's your soap. That you could wash or throw away. So I'm going to put it in this flattened ball. I know, I'm ghetto. About 8 pumps of that. And about a finger pinch of baking soda. Oh, that stuff's nasty. Oh yeah, and this video is sponsored by, crap, I forgot the name. This video is sponsored by Southern Home Butter. That's how ghetto I am. Like, I'm not pretending at all. Like, straight up. No, I'm just kidding, guys. It's this really cool app called Quid. You can pretty much do everything you want with it. What the? Oh my god. I'm a poor little boat so fan. You can collect stickers, like my Mr. Beast man over there. He's not behind me, but his YouTube channel, he gets sponsored by Quid a lot. And he recommended me because I am his cousin to them. Yeah, I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I rarely do YouTube. So this is the only time they're sponsoring me. I made a pretty good amount of cash. So if y'all want me to do like a I love how I'm just been stirring for like 6 minutes. They said place it in the fridge, and I'll come back to you tomorrow. Alright guys, so this is tomorrow, and nothing really, you barely poke it into the slime consistency, but no. It just feels like soap. And like baking powder. So, no. That is a fail! Make it pretty. Hold on, I'm just gonna wash my hands. Okay, and after that disaster, I'm gonna clean the ball off of my little sister's flavor. Give it a little shaky, egg and bacon. Forgot to close the fridge when I pulled the ball out. Okay. Most people say I do a lot good transitions. I don't think I do because my editor does them for me. Thank you, editor. So. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. So first thing you want to do for this thing. More baking soda. Arm & Hammer Standard Purity. You're going to go back down. Alright, get off.